Hello students, as our syllabus of ICSE class 10 has been completed, now we are going to revise our syllabus from class 9th. Okay, we are going to do some output questions now and we will revise theory also, just we are going to do revision work. Before that, you all make it clear that your programming, your theory portion till arrays should be completed in your class registers very neatly and keenly. Okay, your previously I have given all you 5 questions for your project and assignment work. I'll later tell you what you all have to do in that project work. First write that 5 questions, 5 programs, and afterward I'll inform you about the more of the programs what you have to do. Now we will do revision of this, so revise it very attentively. It will be beneficial for you all. Now we are going to do some output questions of increment decrement operator. Okay, the first question is that A is 0, B is 30 and C is 40. Expression is that minus BB plus C plus B. In this you have to print A. Okay, now minus BB means decrement prefix operator. It means minus BB is 30 and it will become 29 plus C++ is postfix operator, increment operator. As you all know that in postfix, the function the number increases or decreases after the function. Okay, 29 plus it will remain 40 only plus 29. So all the expression will, when we will add, it will become 98. Now in the second question, we will see that A is 2 minus B plus plus. B plus plus, B will remain 3 only. Minus CC, it will become 8. Okay. So according to Bedmar's rule, we are going to do this. First we will solve the bracket. Means 3 into 8. What will be? It will be 20 minus 24. Okay, it will be 24. Now A minus 24. A minus 24, A is your 2. So then 2 minus 24 will be your answer minus 22. In the second one, we will see that A into plus BB module C. This is your remainder sign as you all know. Okay, plus BB means 3 will become 4. Module C means 9. It is 9. Now 4 remainder 9. 4 divided by 9. What will be the remainder? In this we are going to get remainder 4. The 4 will be because 9 is bigger, and we will divide the number. The first we are going to get remainder 4, then after we are going to do division. But because in this we take only int value, so our remainder will be 4. 4 into 2 will be now 8. Okay, so answer is your 8. Now second one's in C, third question. If A is 5 and B is 9, then calculate the value of A plus minus plus B plus A. In this we will see that 5 is 5 will be there plus, now your B will become, here A is 5, then 5 will written A plus 5. It will not increase because it is postfix operator, minus it will be increasing because it is prefix operator. 9 will become 10 plus, now here A will become 6 because here it will work after the function. Here see, here it is 5, but when it will come here it will become 6. Then 5 plus 5, 10 minus 10 plus 6. Now what will be the answer? 10 minus 10 is 0 plus 6. When the operators are of same precedence, means plus and minus are of same precedence, then we solve it from left to right. Okay, if the operators are of, again pay attention, if the operators are of same precedence, then we do it left to right. Now see, for this code what is the answer is going to come. See, k minus plus j plus k. K plus is here 5 plus, okay, 5 plus here. Now K plus plus will become your 5 only, minus 10 plus K. So we will solve it, then we are going to get the answer. J will be as 10 and K will be as your 6. Okay. Now we will see here what is the result produced by 2 minus 10 into 3 plus 100 and 11 divided by 11. See, it is very simple. That's like your mathematics question. You all can do. The steps has been given here. We will solve. You can solve it easily. Now we will come to our next question. Here we will see that int x is 20 and y is 10 and z. We have to find out z. Plus x will be your 21 because it is prefix, into y minus minus y will be 10 only because it is postfix. In postfix the number doesn't increase, it increase after the function, and minus y. Now after that y becomes 9, then 10. We will, according to precedence, we will solve 21 into 10 because multiplication is higher in precedence. 21 into 10 will be 210 minus 9 and answer will your 201. Okay, like that we are going to do this also. See what will be the output of the following segment. int a is 5, b is c, and we have to find out c. Okay, if A is greater than B or A is not equal to B, then we have to solve this. And both the we are see that it is the same only. Now we have to print see if A is greater than B, okay, or A is not equal to B, then C is equal to plus A plus minus B. Here we have to solve this now. Okay, see, plus A is your 6. Okay, plus minus B will be your 1. 6 plus 1 will be your 7. So the value of C is 7, and A will be your, A has become your, now plus A, what was the A? 6, and B was 1. So it will be printed. Like that, here also see question. Pay attention towards the question. Okay, you all can easily solve it. All the see here is your increment operator of prefix, and here is increment operator of postfix. Always remember that prefix increases before the function and postfix number increases after the function. Here is your more questions. You all have to evaluate these questions. Write down in your classwork copy very neatly. Here also write down, here the answers are given. You have to write down steps to solve this question. Okay. See, in this question, pay attention. What is the output of the following? Char C is X. Okay. int M is 20. Now int N is equal to plus C. Now C has been considered as sky value of C will be now your 8. If we will see that what is the sky value of C, then it is 8. You all have learned that the capital letter A to Z has a value of 65 to 90, and small letters has the value of 97 to 122. Okay, now it will 88 means here sky value of 88 will become 99 divided by m minus minus m will be 24 only. Okay, now here it has become m is your 23. Now system out dot println, it will become, the answer will come your 20, your 3. Okay, here it is misprint, the it will be 24 not 23 here. Okay, here it will be 24 because it is postfix, it will read after the function. So pay attention beta, here it will be 24 not 23. Now here it is very easy, you all can do. Go attentively towards this. This is also easy. It is very easy to solve you all. Okay, here it has been given in point, so you can do this type of questions also. This is also easy one. You solve it with the all the steps, and These questions should be all in your project, in your copy, in your class copy. And heading will be your revision work. Okay, revise it and then do it. And whatever the problem comes, you can ask me in my personal number. Okay, I'll send a PDF of this PPT to you all.